Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Working on a Samsung TV today. Unfortunately, we have vertical lines from the very top of the TV all the way to the very bottom. In today's video, we're going to show you how to perform a picture quality test. Let's go take a look. All right, DIYers, in front of us is a 55-inch Samsung TV, and in the previous video, we did our best to clean the entire inner workings, all the parts and connection points, in the hopes of getting our TV fixed. However, unfortunately, it's more serious than we thought, and in this video, we are going to run a test. So we'll turn it on and show you what exactly we have. We have vertical lines, and then down at the very bottom, kind of looks like something more serious than just vertical lines. So what we'll do, hop over to our chair here. We'll get comfortable because we are going to run a test. Go ahead and click on the home page and scroll over to your settings. From here, select up and scroll all the way over to more. And from here, scroll down to support. Go over, next, select self-diagnosis and start picture test. And the test photo will now be shown. Please look carefully at the screen for the next 5 seconds. Okay, and as you can see here, again, the right-hand portion of our screen has those vertical lines, and you do see a few horizontal lines at the very bottom as well. However, back to these steps, do you still see the problem in the test photo? Yes. And check that out. Do you still see the problem in the test photo? Unfortunately, yes. And again, we do. And from here, unfortunately, test 1 failed, test 2 failed, test 3 failed. And please try to connect to the Samsung call center and be ready to provide this information to support agent. And down below is your serial number as well as your model number, which will be very helpful to them. Let's make the phone call.